So really and truly, I'm super excited. My thoughts are everywhere. So if this video is a little bit disorganized, I'm sorry. It's just because I'm super excited and I haven't really fully thought out everything I was gonna say yet. I just want to get over here and show you what they're doing. Alright, so a part of our new construction series that I'm putting together for us, sorry for the background noise, there is a ton of things that are happening with the excavator and even the dump truck that's here as well. So a part of this series, my goal is to help walk you through what happens after you purchase a lot. So let's talk about what we accomplished so far. I'm not sure how this audio is going to sound with me being here with all this noise, but in any case, on this property here, it's 120 feet in width and 125 feet in depth. The Seawall company is here. They're going to be clearing and removing the brush on the back of the property to put in the seawall. For an additional fee, there were some bushes, I'll be sure to pop up a picture here, that were on the property and that needed to be cleared out. Now where we're at in the process is that they already stripped the bushes off the property and they're getting ready to remove the bushes on the back of the property to prep it for seawall. So we signed the contract, we own the property. Now we put down a deposit of $1,000, and this may change depending on where you're at in Cape Coral or which company you use or whatnot. And what'll happen is after you put down the deposit, it holds your place in line. They have a notice of commencement. And then right before they come out to the property to install the seawall, they ask for the remaining balance. $15,000 at the time of this video was made was approximately $22,000 and change, and that includes them clearing the lot as well. Then the remaining amount will be due, and then the seawall will be installed. My overall goal is to help you from start to finish, picking out a lot, building a home, and completing it here in Southwest Florida. And that way you're going to be coming along the journey with me, and hopefully this process will shed a lot of light that this is doable. If it's doable for me, it's definitely doable for you. And if you have any questions or anything like that, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll either make a video about it, or what I may end up doing is putting together a live stream and doing a frequently asked questions. And I think that'd be helpful, because I think based on what's been happening lately in the marketplace, there's been more and more new construction and more questions. So let me know. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, own more real estate.